Guess what we're doing tonight?
Girl talk.
You're up. You're 8 and over.
It has to be age-appropriate things. Okay.
I don't know, I'm gonna act like him too, so maybe I shouldn't play it.
Don't open it from the top as much as you can.
This?
Yep.
No, there's no way. You're kidding. What is it? What is it?
I'm soaking all my ice cream.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Show me.
Oh my god, you are not serious.
Oh, she's serious.
I'm soaking all my ice cream
There you go.
for a second.
You need to have a conversation with my mom when it comes to my birthday.
What is it? What is it, Holly? Oh. Are you gonna cry?
Did you sure about that?
I'm just really excited.
Do you get the theme?
No.
No?
Yeah, I was scared because I had a feeling that this is what was coming, but then I remembered our conversation or whatever because like in the first 15 minutes, you know, like they were sold out,
Mm.
and so
Ah.
Aha! Guess who has a Citibank card?
Whoosh. Well, you were all.
What's up with the Citibank?
Do you got Citibank card, Mom? She was all.
No, I do
No,
not.
I do.
I was looking around for like I was looking around
What's
to
that?